Durant, gå på paketen med Durant. Hello and welcome to my channel, All Things Florida. I bought a garment steamer the other day, actually bought for Black Friday, and it's called Salav. And I've been wanting to make this video to show you my experience. This is the product. And just so you guys have an idea, if you're thinking to buy a garment steamer, a steamer for your clothes, to iron your clothes fast when you're on the rush. I bought this at Macy's. It cost $70 or $80, but I got it for $50 during the Black Friday. And I finally decided to open because I wanted to make a video and show you my experience. This says it's 45 seconds steam ready, 1.3 liter water tank capacity, and 46 minutes is continuous steam. So I unboxed it, I fixed it, it's ready to go. My video was deleted and I was so upset. I was showing all the details, but this is how it looks. This is how it looks. This one is filled with water. This is easy to extend right here. And you just put this through and then you twist this. That's how you put it on. This was also only twist. That's how the water gets through, the steam actually, all the way there. Everything came together like this. This one, this top piece I assembled here. This was all ready. I did nothing on top. When you don't use it, this is how you just put that right there. And it's not heavy and it's little. It can be stored many places. Okay, so now I'm gonna turn this on and see how long it takes to start steaming. Right now I fill up with water already. I fill out with water this tank and it looks like this. You take it out, you take this off and you fill this up with water. And then you just put it back here. It's very easy. I've been looking to buy a steamer for a very long time, but I didn't know where to buy, you know, and which one to choose. So I'm gonna do a timer. It says here it takes 45 seconds steam to get ready. So we're gonna test if that's true. It's already plugged in. So I'm gonna turn this on right there. It's just one button and it's on. And we're gonna start the timer. And I can hear it. I don't know if you can hear the noise. Already started boiling. So it's actually less than 15 seconds. Okay, right here already steaming. I don't know if you can tell. Right there you go. So actually it does what it says. It does start the steam fast. That's awesome. That's passed the test. And it comes with 2 different pieces. This comes one more piece here. I'm recording this in my salon because this is where my quiet place is. This connects here like that, and then you can put pans in between so you can steam. And then you take this off. You don't use this. There was one more item that came with it. I think my son took it. It looks like a brush. So let's give it a try and see how this works. Oh wow, it's amazing. Wow. Wow, look at this. This is pretty good. You just have to be careful because obviously this is steam. I got this, maybe I said that already, I got this at Macy's. Wow, so far I'm very happy. Like within 1 minute you're done with one dress. This was so wrinkly dress. Wow. Now I can wear this. Wow, this is all done. So I'm gonna put this in the back, and I'm gonna take my husband's shirt. Let's see how this does it. Wow, look at this. By the way, this video is not sponsored. This is just to show you my experience. Because I've been looking for one and I didn't know which one to choose, so I just figured I'll buy this. Oh wow. I'm very pleased so far. Hope you like it too. For $50, this is not bad. And it's easy to store. That's what I wanted. I wanted something small that where I can store it other places too. This is a cotton shirt, so as you know, cotton shirts are very difficult to remove wrinkles. So far, this is pretty good. This is how it looks in the back. Has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 holes. To me, this is also like an exercise actually, because I can feel my belly like hurting right here. And it keeps you standing, so that's good. That's another also I would consider as a little exercise. Okay. I have one more shirt. This is my 14-year-old shirt. Let's see how this looks. Wow, look at the difference. Look at that, look at this. Look at the difference. Okay, I'm gonna post this on Instagram too, just to show friends and people how beautiful this is. Okay, I'm gonna shut this off. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like what you saw. And if you want to know, I got it at Macy's. And thank you so much for watching. I highly recommend this garment steamer. It's very small. You can place it easily other places. And please let me know what you're using, so maybe in future I can buy the one that you're using if you found something better. Or put that in the comments below so you can tell me more about clothing, accessories, and different things, okay? Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.